Hello, P4 students! Welcome back to our science class with Ms.Ida, and we are now on chapter 9, the solar system. Are you ready? Let's get started, children. For lesson 1, the solar system, we will learn that the sun is at the center of the solar system. We will name the planets in the solar system, and we will learn that the planetary system contains stars, planets, asteroids, and comets. For a chapter 2 question, look at the picture, write 3 words you think of when you see the sun. And for a thinking cap, I know that the Earth is a planet. I wonder if there are any other planets like the Earth. To start, what makes up the solar system? The solar system is made up of the sun, objects that move around the sun. It includes 8 planets and other small objects. The sun is at the center of the solar system. The sun is a star. It is a huge ball of very hot gases. It provides us with light and heat. Here are the 8 planets, children. We will name them from the nearest to the sun to the farthest. Let's start with Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There are other objects in the solar system such as asteroids and comets. They are much smaller than the planets. Asteroids are small, rocky objects that move around the sun. Most are found in a region called the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt lies between Mars and Jupiter. What about comets? Comets are lumps of ice, dust, and rock. They usually move around the sun in the outer regions of the solar system. As comets get closer to the sun, they form broad tails. Look at it, children. It's beautiful, right? Are there other planetary systems like the solar system? Everything that exists makes up the universe. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. Each galaxy is a huge group of stars. The solar system is part of a galaxy called the Milky Way. Within the galaxy, there are billions more stars. Most have planets moving around them. They can also contain asteroids and comets. There are many other planetary systems like our solar system. And for Tech Talk, Mars is dry and cold. Scientists use robots called rovers to explore the surface of Mars. From the evidence gathered, they believe that Mars once had water and was much warmer. Some of them also believe that once there may have been living things on Mars. In 2021, a rover called Perseverance landed on Mars. It will help scientists look for evidence whether life ever existed on Mars. Have you think of moving their children in the future? What do you think? And for the next topic, let's meet some scientist children. How has our understanding of the solar system changed over time? Scientists have been studying space for thousands of years. During the 2nd century, Ptolemy developed a model to predict the movement of the planets. In this model, Earth was in the center of the solar system, and the sun and the planets moved around it. Who is Copernicus, children? During the 16th century, he was the one who proposed the center of the solar system was not Earth, but the sun. He developed a model that showed Earth and other planets moving around the sun. And in 1610, Galileo used his own telescope to study objects in space. He observed that Venus moved around the sun, and this proved that Copernicus' model was correct. And for science at work, rocket scientists designed and built rockets and spacecrafts. Rockets and spacecrafts are vehicles that send humans into space. Spacecrafts are also used to explore places in space that humans cannot reach. Rocket scientists help make sure that humans travel safely into space and back. Let's go, children. And for lesson 2, spinning of Earth, we will explain why the sun appears to move around the sky. Explain why the spinning of the Earth causes day and night and changes shadows. For our lesson 2 question, why does the sun appear to move across the sky during the day? What do you think, children? And for our thinking cap, I wonder why my shadow changes throughout the day. Does the sun move across the sky? During the day, it looks as if the sun is moving across the sky. Does the sun really move? Actually, the sun does not move. It appears to move because Earth is spinning. Earth spins or rotates all the time. It spins on its axis. The axis is an imaginary line that goes through the center of Earth. Look at the picture, children. What causes day and night? We get day and night because of the spinning of Earth on its axis. It takes Earth 24 hours to complete one spin. So there are 24 hours in a day on Earth. How do shadows change during the day? The pictures show a tree at different times of the day. Its shadow changes in length and position. This is because the position of the sun in the sky changes during the day. Look at the 3 pictures, children. Which do you think is shadow during daytime, nighttime, or noontime? And that will be your homework. And that ends our weekly lesson for today, children. Thanks for watching. See you in our class. Take care. Bye-bye, everyone.